Good morning, everyone. Let us pause for a moment and imagine this. You wake up in the year 2050. Your alarm doesn't ring. Instead, you wake up gently with your favorite music, and a robot brings your breakfast to your table. But please brush your teeth before that. Your car drives itself. Doctors use artificial intelligence to detect devices in seconds. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, the future is closer than we think. Today, I am here to speak about life in 2050. Friends, technology is growing much faster, smarter, and even more advanced. By 2050, our world could become faster, smarter, and very advanced than we imagine. Sometimes our smart homes does everything for us. Robots may help in our daily works, in our jobs, in technical and mechanical fields. And major problems will be solved by AI. But friends, let me ask you a question. Will AI and the smart technology will help us, will it make us happy? Definitely not. The biggest challenge is we might lose our emotions, our values, our ethics, and our history. Today, we might, in the year 2050, we might spend time with the screens instead of people. So the real future depends on us. Will we use technology to help humanity or to replace humans? The choice begins today. My dear friends, the future is not something we simply enter. The future is something we create. We take today.
Very good. So, good